Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, fog lamps, privacy glass, convertible soft top, tires front all-terrain, tires rear all-terrain. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.